y'all know what to do. I'm still saying, this bitch lose like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not so innocent. That bitch bad, watch her blow a hole back. She gets away. Every time of day, every single way.
What's good, pretty gang? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, what's good? It's lit. We're lit, period, all day, every day. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing another hair tutorial for my ladies because, you know, even though it's quarantine, we still gotta look good, and that's period. So I'm gonna show you guys how to go from looking like this to like that, period. So what you gonna need is you don't need your products, okay? So I got sheer moisture. I love me some sheer moisture. So I got this. I'm just gonna show y'all. That's shampoo. This is my conditioner. Can you really see? Yeah. This is the leave-in conditioner, and this is the treatment. And this is a lotion, okay? And y'all, I just got these, and the only thing that I've used before is this. So I don't even know what this about to be. This about to be my first time using it. I hope it works, cause if not, I'm gonna be mad. So I got that. Then you're gonna need a spray bottle. Put some water in it, but I'm probably not gonna need this, cause I'm gonna wash my hair, so it's already gonna be wet. But I might use it. I don't know. Then you don't need your comb, okay? You can use either one. I'm probably gonna use this one, or I don't know. I might use both. Then you'll need your this kind of comb for parting it. For like when you get done, you gonna part it for your part. You don't need this for your edges, cause we always do our edges over here. Period. Cause we always do our edges over here. Period.
Boy, if you don't.
Well, not today, because yeah, but whatever. Then you're gonna need some clips, cause when you combing out your hair, you're gonna have to put the other hair away. So yeah, that's all you need. And first thing first is you're gonna wanna wash your hair because, baby girl. So yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair. Okay, guys, so I just got back from washing my hair, and I did wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner that I showed you. And while washing my hair, I had combed it out, so my hair is kind of combed out right now. And what I'm doing, I'm just putting on a jacket because I don't want any of the products to get onto my shirt. Now I'm just taking my hair out of the clip. This video is really self-explanatory. If you watch, it's to see what I'm doing. It really just tells itself basically. But now I'm just about to divide my hair right down the middle so I can section it off. I'm gonna be sectioning it into 4 pieces. So I'm just gonna clip the other side up and focus on that one side for right now. So I'm just gonna split that up. So basically I'm gonna have 2 sections on that side, and I'm gonna be starting with the back half. But right now I'm just gonna go back over my hair with the comb to make sure that it's not nappy and that it's all combed out. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair to make sure that it's all combed out. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is what it looks like when you open it. It's all white. So you're just going to set that down, and then you're going to part your hair again back into those sections that I had before. Okay, so now you're just going to grab a good size amount of the product into your hand. And I have little pieces of hair stuck onto my hand, so that's what I'm trying to get off. But you're just going to rub it together, and then you're going to comb it through your hair, as you can see. And you can actually see the curls starting to form with just that little bit amount of product that I had put in. But I am going to put some more in because that was not enough to get the curls that I wanted. So now you're just going to scrunch it up with your hand to like make the curls pop out a little bit more. And yes, I know my hair is uneven. It's the way that my hairstylist had cut it when I used to get relaxers and stuff, but it's okay because I'm finna cut it all off soon. Okay, so now you're just going to repeat the same process to the other sections in your hair. Make sure that you are combing the product throughout your hair so it's an even distribution. Y'all, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Y'all better get with it. That's all I'm gonna say. So now I'm on this side of my head and I'm just going to repeat the same process that I've been doing. Okay, so now we're going to be using our Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. And for this, you're only going to use about a dime size amount. Okay, so then you're going to rub it together and you're going to run it through your hair, starting from the ends of your hair to the roots. Okay, so now you're just going to decide how you want to part your hair for this style. And I usually do a side part because my forehead is big, as you can tell. So yeah, just get your comb and make that part. Okay, so after you get your part, you're just going to want to take your edge brush and pull out some edges or hair that you're going to use for your edges, and do your edges as you like. Y'all, sometimes my eyes be going cross-eyed when I do my edges on one side of my head. That's why you see me making those faces, but I don't know, is that normal? Like, do y'all eyes do that? Because mine do. Hey y'all, this is the final look. Okay, this is the final look, but depending on where you're going, if there's like a lot of wind blowing, it's gonna get poofier. That's cool with me. I like mine's a little poofy, you know. But yeah, you see them edges is done, period. What I said. We do edges over here. But yeah, I like doing this look because it's cute. Okay, let me stop messing with it. Okay, period. Now I feel like going somewhere and I have nowhere to go. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. What other videos you guys want me to do, let me know, because I'm going to do one, period. And yeah, that's it. Y'all should do this ASAP, because y'all going to be looking cute. And that's that. Period, we out. I should be back again with another banging video. Might do something a little different besides a hair tutorial, but you'll find out. Yeah.
Miss Carrie, baby, back to your crib.